coming this August. Over 300 staffing professionals gather each year for one of the biggest events in the industry. They come from near and far, US and Canada, all seeking new opportunities, knowledge, deeper relationships, and the hope that they too will be among the Avionté clients equipped with the information and tools to build a stronger business, creating a brighter future for today's workforce. In this era of technology, a world filled with fierce competition, ever-increasing recruiting challenges, and government regulations, only the strong will survive. With dreams of efficiency, profitability, and growth, this is the epic story of hundreds of staffing firms who embark on a 3-day journey filled with innovation, learning, sharing, networking, collaborating, and find themselves having fun and building relationships all along the way. Avionté Client Connection 2015.